Hello and welcome to FinExtra TV. I'm Alex Lipic. You join us here in Lisbon for EBAday 2024, and I'm delighted to be joined in the studio on the sofa by Stefano Brega of BE Consulting and Gianluca Finistauri of Nexi Group. Welcome to both of you. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Absolute pleasure. Piacere, as they say, I think, in Italy.
Perfect Italian.
So we're going to be discussing composable banking today. So, Gianluca, I'm going to come to you first, if I can. How does composable banking help financial institutions adapt more quickly to the constantly changing needs of customers, do you think?
Yeah, at first, I would like to talk on how things are evolving in the markets, no? And customers are changing. Customers are becoming more and more aware of technology, on how technology can improve their lives. And especially in corporates, for example, they are willing to have payments, faster payments, instant payments, payments that can break the country boundaries. And especially they want to have security on payments, because clearly with the instant payments, the security is a real issue. As another topic that we can observe on the market, customers are making UX, the user experience, one of their utmost goals. Customers, not only retail customers, but also corporate customers, want to have a one-shot view of their finances only using one tool and not many tools. They want to have real-time information. They want to have a fast decision systems. And moreover, customers are more and more aware on how technology can improve their lives. This was a trend which in the last 5 to 7 years was very obvious in retail, but now it's coming also in corporate. And I have to say that more and more customers of us are aware that they want to have an interaction with their tools which is easy, fast and reliable.
Sure. Stefano, is there anything you'd like to add to that?
Yes, just to complete the answer to your question on how composable banking can give a response to this fast evolving world, let's say. Technology is the key. We have around a lot of not traditional players that leveraging on their technology, the new technologies from AI to cloud to microservices and so on, are very fast in providing new products and services to a customer base. That could be retail or corporate, of course. And this is the challenge for the banks. How can they respond to this challenge? They have to leverage on their assets, on their advantages, the brand, the recognition, the investment capability, the customer base, because banks have a big customer base. That's not in discussion. But they have to remove one barrier. They have to remove the dependency from their legacy systems. This is like a heavy weight that is not making them up to speed with this new entrance. So removing this, they can compete. So flexibility is the key word, and composable banking is something that can help banks to gain flexibility, agility, scalability, and also efficiency.
So you've led me on beautifully to the next question there, Stefano. What would you say are the key advantages of composable banking in terms of flexibility and scalability?
Yes. Flexibility, what does it mean, flexibility? Flexibility means the capability to combine your offering, your product, your services in different ways. So be flexible in proposing your offering to the customer. Customers are used to package of offerings. Now you can make it modular. So you're flexible. And what does it mean? That you can face the real needs of specific customers. This is much true, but later on Gianluca will specify on it for enterprises than for retail. Then this improves a lot the time to market. So until now, if banks have to develop and design and develop a new product, they have to invest a little bit and it takes a long time. Now with this kind of solutions, composable, this is much faster because you have the framework and then you have to configure, work on details, configurability, and so on. These are the main advantages on corporate banking, or composable banking, sorry, but later on I would say the efficiency. Composable banking allow to reduce costs in terms of operating expenses and also investment. So now and for the future, it's something that is future-proof. So removes the dependency from a new legacy for the future. No more big transformation, but new products, fast and effective.
Future-proof, I think, is a key word there.
Future-proof.
Gianluca, I'm going to come back to you, if I may. So, if we compare composable banking to traditional retail banking, why would you argue that composable banking is so beneficial?
Yeah, one of the main areas where it's beneficial is especially in corporate banking. Why? Because corporate customers are very diverse, one each other, no? They are very complex and they are willing rather to do business than to cope with payments. Payments are just something they need to do. So they want to have customized and specific solutions for their needs. Composable banking, I think, they give a much faster way, they give them the answer. They give the specialization that they need. Furthermore, not every player can have everything. So usually fintech and specialized players can add value on their verticals. And composable banking allows very quickly to gather together knowledge from different players and come with a solution, which with usual systems or traditional systems would mean years of work, of integration work, and making different systems speak each other, which is often not possible at all. Very last but not least, I mean, the environment is changing very fast. You know, macro environment, business, international race, etc. So what corporate wants is the ability to adapt to the system very quickly and at low cost. And composable banking is giving them speed and low cost.
Yeah, like you say, things are constantly changing so quickly, so it is so important to be able to adapt. It's obviously great to have both of you here on the sofa with me today. Tell me a bit more about the partnership. Perhaps I can come to you, Stefano.
Okay, first the name, Nova. Nova comes from the sky, so something that should light the way of innovation. This is our payoff. Nova is a one solution platform for digital banking for enterprises, digital corporate banking, that provides in a unique platform all the necessary products, services, framework, technology that can serve every type of company, every size of company, every sector of company. So one solution for all. This is very important. And how Nova is born? It's born from a partnership of Nexi with engineering group. B Group is part of engineering group, combining respective assets and capabilities in payments, digital corporate banking, and digital transformation, of course.
Anything to add at all to that?
Well, just a few words. You know, Nexi is a European paytech, a payment solution company. And to be honest, we are providing our solution to banks and to corporates. In the corporate arena, we are quite big, especially in Italy, with a lot of customers, serving a lot of customers. But we needed something more. We need more speed and more capacity on this business. And we felt we couldn't do it all alone. And I think engineering, big consulting engineering was the perfect partner for us to scale up our solutions and put together our competencies to create a unique product for the market.
It certainly sounds like a very strong relationship, very strong partnership, and be exciting to see how things develop from here. But in the meantime, Gianluca, Stefano, è stato un piacere. Thank you ever so much for speaking with us, and we'll let you get back to the busy event.
Thanks a lot to you. Thanks, Alex.
Thank you.